I'm Dr. Dumajan. I'm here with my patient from California. He traveled to California to come to the Deuk Spine Institute because he had herniated discs in his back that were causing some back pain, but mostly leg symptoms, so sciatic type pain. He also had a piriformis muscle tear that wouldn't heal. And how do you feel today after your surgery?
Much better.
Yeah?
Absolutely. It's noticeable already, even with the little incision and whatnot. I feel a little emotional. It already feels like it's life-changing.
What was life like for you before your surgery?
For the last 6 weeks, I've basically been couch-bound or bed-bound. I get up and walk around for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then I had to get
Incapacitated with.
completely.
And where was this pain?
Basically from my L5, like high butt, down to my toes with numbness and tingling in my toes. Loss of sensation.
You still have that pain today?
No,
It's gone.
it's gone.
Congratulations. And is it gone because we have you on pain meds, or?
No, I haven't had any pain meds. I took 2 Tylenol this morning, and that's it.
So normally you'd be in pain.
Yes. By this point in
Why?
the day, I was already, smoking weed, taking edibles to try and manage it to get through the day.
That's tough.
It's incredibly noticeable to be here with you guys right now.
So yesterday you had your surgery. We found that you had tears in the back of 2 discs, L45, L5S1. I used the laser to clean the tears, and you had a gigantic herniation of L5S1 that was pinching the nerves going down your leg. That's why you're having so much weakness, but your weakness is gone today.
Yeah, I was already able to stand up on my toes, which I haven't been able to do in at least 6 weeks.
If you watch the video, you can see like we took out around 30 pieces of herniation that made up your big herniation. It went very well. We also fixed your piriformis muscle by releasing it. That's why you don't have that buttock pains.
Yeah, it's much better.
Anything you want to tell your friends and family out there?
It feels like a new me. I actually want to say something to the people that are considering it, because I watched some of the reviews, and some of the negative reviews had me a little concerned, and then I watched a lot of the videos, and that provided me some confidence. And getting to watch the actual procedures was very reassuring. And then when I got here and got to meet all the staff and how professional, I was blown away. And my wife, who is a nurse and has incredibly high standards, pulled me aside yesterday before the surgery and said, "Hey, listen to that. Do you hear that? Everybody that's talking is either talking about a patient, talking to a patient, or they're doing their job. There's no gossip." Just so impressed.
Thank you. Yeah, we have a few negative reviews, but they're by people who either didn't have surgery and are upset because they have to pay out of pocket, which is understandable. I'd be upset with my insurance company too.
I'd pay out of pocket in a second for this.
Thank you. And the other ones are ones who did not do everything we recommended. So sometimes people have 4, 5, 6 causes of back pain. You had 3, and you did all 3. But some people have 6 and they only do 2. So of course they're going to have pain afterwards. We tell them that. We don't like the fact that people have to pay out of pocket when they do. We want their insurance to pay, but some insurances refuse. So what can you do? Well, I'm glad you guys came, and I know you're going to do fantastic.
I appreciate it. Thank you for taking the time and getting us in, and you've changed my life in a direction that I was questioning would be possible.
It is possible at Deuk Spine.
Yeah,
Congrats.
it sure is.
And go enjoy the rest of your life.
I'm going to.